We as a photographer or a videographer were considered a outcast, you could say. Shoot करके चलो लिख लो काम हो गया. Now being an influencer with followers and a very popular page, helping them in promote the movies and the OTT and the brands, we are part of the system. So it's reversed actually in the last 5 to 6 years. The reversal has gone down. We are now important.
What happens is when you're a newcomer in an industry like ours, it does take time. The struggle is large. And earlier, when you did not have this kind of exposure, the struggle was larger. Now you can cut it short by at least be seen. And these platforms are giving you that opportunity to be seen. It might seem like a quick shortcut to fame, but let me make it very clear that does not discount from the fact that you still have to prove yourselves.
When it comes to exposure, I think it's not all of them, but a few celebrities rely on our pages basically. Because most of the producers, directors, the casting guys, the brands, they follow us basically. They follow my page. And they are keenly watching whom am I featuring, regularly featuring, what's happening, what is the traction on that celebrity, why is he getting covered so much. So, I mean, it helps them. It helps them with the visibility part also.